welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be opening up a Pocahontas Pocket Pop Keychain. We're going to be opening a Happy Places where you can find a limited edition heirloom, a Surprise-a-Mole. These are all the people you can get. And a Peanuts Charlie Brown. Now we don't have more stuff because we're saving up for when I'm going to the beach.
Wait, you're going to the beach?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not.
At school. I'm not in high school.
Oh, yeah, because you can miss school. Okay, well,
I'm gonna start. You know, I usually start. You start.
Okay, I'll start with this then.
Okay. And then you
okay.
can open up that, and then oh, these two.
I'm opening up a surprise symbol. Last time we got a pink teddy bear that was born the same day Chloe was born.
Maybe not the same year, but some day. And now I hope we get the unicorn.
We got
The
a purple elephant, Emmy elephant, April 22nd. I know, I'm not reading that. She's born April 22nd, her favorite color is purple.
well, she's purple.
You think your favorite color is purple? I would never thought, you know.
These are so small, like in the last
They're like velvet. So we got Nikki the bear, and now we've got Emmy the elephant. So far we've gotten 2 commons.
Comments are fine because they're still really soft in this.
Yeah, but don't you want the ultra rare?
I know what the ultra rare is.
What is it?
It's like this dragon, and it's a silver dragon, silver shiny dragon.
Is it a silver dragon ball?
No.
Why not?
Okay. So I'm gonna set that right here, and I'm gonna start with a Pocahontas Pocket Pop keychain. So there we have, and he has a Charlie Brown one. He will open up, but they're so cute. This is what they look like. You can also stand them up in their containers still, if you want to, but I don't think I want to. That's easy to get off. So here is Pocahontas. It's really cute. These are little mini pop figures, and they're keychains. Ow.
Okay, well, I'm gonna open up mine.
Wait. See, it's really pretty.
I'm opening up mine now.
Now, Pocahontas has a very small body and a big head. So her feet can't stand up because her hair is almost her feet.
Aren't that the way that all pop figures really are?
No, Charlie Brown's body is bigger.
No, Charlie Brown's body is small. See how small that is?
It's bigger than hers.
Fair enough.
That's how tiny her feet are. Barely even see them.
Okay, you might be able to stand up. You guys surely can.
They can't see him.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
There we go.
We have a lot of space right here.
Okay, now finally open up this. Open.
Happy
Wash my
Places.
hands.
And we're going to tell you how to these are. You get little tiles and 3 little Happy Place pets.
Are they happy?
Probably. And
You
can
don't
get
know them.
a limited edition heirloom, and that's what I'm voting for. Some people get it. It's kind of hard, but not as hard as actual like shop, not pet pins. So you just open that. And this opens
Come on,
up
get a
so
good
cute.
one. Don't get a bad one.
Why is the tile on the bottom? We got a pink tile, so
You got a pink tile, yay!
I don't know what this is from.
Pink tile of the year.
Maybe the bathroom.
Maybe it's
Get the collector's guide out.
a
We got something.
collector's
We did not get-
guide.
We got something really tiny right here. I can barely feel it. I don't see a paper. They usually come with a paper, so I don't see a paper. No shadowy paper. Let's open this.
I'm thinking we're gonna get the spice rack. Yeah, spice rack.
Okay, first up we have
This will be the deciding factor.
I
What?
can't see where it
Oh,
is.
Jerry, open it up.
Can't see. Wait, I can't get it.
Oh, that. What is that?
It's a little envelope.
No envelope.
Puppy envelope. It's really hard to see. It's
No,
really.
you sure it isn't a cheese knife?
I'm sure it has a little envelope holes in the back.
Okay, puppy envelope.
Next, this will help you. Little mailbox. I know it was an envelope. A little mailbox. You can put the envelope in there, or just stick it in there. So we're gonna put our little envelope through the little thing. Oh, it actually works. So you can do that or the other thing. No, and in my tear stub. Well, let's start on the 7. That's right. Oh, it comes with like thing. It's plastic. Okay, so that's what it is. It's a little like it's a little one thing. These are so cute. I can go that way.
Okay, I think we got.
And,
I think we got.
oh, and she's on the front, except for we got a red envelope, not a.
Yeah, we got
different
132,
colors.
164, and 151. We got these 3.
Good. Those are the other ones.
Yeah.
We got it. Okay, so do you have any?
Oh, there's the
Where's
Charlie
your-
Brown one. Oh, that's in
Wait.
my pocket.
Yeah.
The Charlie Brown.
Okay, so this is the cool stuff we got. I'm just gonna set this on our tile. That Emmy the elephant, Pocahontas, which
Wait, what did you say the elephant's name was?
Emmy,
What was it?
Emmy.
What was the name?
I'm not telling you.
Wow.
And can you show us Charlie Brown?
I already
Yeah.
showed them the Charlie Brown. Yeah, Charlie Brown.
I don't think they can hear you.
Yeah.
Ow. Those are big.
I'm gonna have to wash my hands again.
There we go. So cute. Okay, so that's the flavors.
Oh.
My favorite is Pocahontas.
Well, of course, my favorite's the Charlie Brown.
Yeah. I also really like the Happy Places one too. Very cute. The Happy Places are so cute.
Okay, good for that. Well,
See, look, why you want it? You can put it through the little hole. Get it right up in there, and you can just hold the mailbox. Yeah. Just hold the mailbox, and you just put it, that tiny envelope, right in. Wait, I don't see where I'm going. Right in the little thing.
okay, well, I guess that's all for today's video. Bye.